So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. So this is the current state of my hair. I'm starting off using a wig cap. Actually this was like a rubbishy kind of wig cap, because for my skin tone I should have gone for a darker, already like dark brown kind of wig cap, but I just grabbed one that I could reach where I was, okay, and I'm starting off using my got to be glued. I'm just gonna apply this around the hairline, and you want to be a bit generous and make sure that this wig cap sticks to your skin, okay. And the next thing that I'll do, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my got to be glued spray, and I'm just gonna go over that got to be glued gel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it, because you need to make sure that it is completely dry. And I'll go ahead and tie it down so that I make sure that everything is laying down nicely. So this is the unit that I'm going to be using, you guys. I made this unit using aligracehair. I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some powder just to make sure that the wig cap blends with my skin tone. As you can see, it was a major struggle. That's why I recommend that you use a wig cap that is much more closer to your own skin tone. Now that my wig cap is completely dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim off the part of the wig cap that we don't need in this tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys have also subscribed if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and please guys, make sure you turn your notifications on. Make sure you watch my videos, guys, and thumbs up. Like seriously, I need your support, guys. The next thing that I'll do is I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck that piece behind my ear, because we don't need to cover our ears, okay? So you need to be careful, make sure that you don't pull out any of the wig cap, okay? And just trim off the excess at the back. I just normally do this carefully, okay? Guys, this hair is gorgeous, amazing. I've got like 4 bundles of hair and a lace frontal, so this unit is full and thick, hunty. The next thing that I'll do, you guys, I'm gonna apply my powder on my lace as well, and I did not bleach the knots. I usually don't, but yeah, I will bleach the knots in my later on, but not now. So I just wanted to make sure that everything is blending together. I'm gonna use my got to be glued, and you want to apply like a generous amount. I'm using my red tail comb just to make sure that everything is well distributed, just here, and make sure that no parts of the wig cap are lifting, because sometimes it does happen, okay? I'm gonna follow on by using my got to be glued spray, blow dry it until it gets tacky. So this is one mistake I did, you guys. I do not recommend you go ahead and do this process. I could not see properly where the wig cap was, and I just assumed it was where it was, but it is easier if you trim the lace first than what I did right here. Like seriously guys, don't do this. You need to trim off the lace first before you actually lay down the frontal. Like seriously, I've got many videos where I've shown you how I lay down my frontal, so you can actually go ahead and watch. I've got a playlist on my wigs as well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that it is laying down flat and using the blow dryer as usual. The next thing that I'll do, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming off the lace. This process I should have done earlier. Okay, like I said, it's easier when you're doing it on someone's head. You can actually see where the wig cap is and what you're doing. I do not recommend you do this process and measure your frontal first before you actually glue it down. Okay. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Like you see right here on this side, I can't see the wig cap, but there are some parts where I could see it. Like I was like, oh no, what have I done? So this frontal comes pre-plucked, but I felt like it looked a bit dense to me, so I had to go ahead and start tweezing it. As you can see, guys, you need to be careful. Again, it is easier if you tweeze it on the mannequin head. Like I will definitely go over the tweezing process to make the hairline look more natural. I will definitely do it off my head, like on the mannequin, so I can actually personalize it. But in this video, I just had to go ahead and do this process. Okay.
Lights out, lying in your arms, and these feelings start to change. One look into your eyes and I'm floating far away. I've never been here before. I don't know the score, but I never wanted you more than I do tonight. Escape with me. Will you escape with me? And we start brand new.
I'm just gonna go ahead and use my wrapping mousse just to define my parting, and I'm just gonna comb it down. You see right there, the tangling is because of the hair that shaded from me plucking the frontal. So yeah, that's what was causing all that tangling. It's not the hair. The hair is amazing and flawless, as you can see right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my healing wand just to define my parting a little bit more and just bump up the hair, because I don't like my front or the top of my head to be flat. So This is the finished look, you guys. Absolutely flawless. Like seriously, you can see that this frontal looks like it's growing from my own scalp. That's the main advantage of melting this frontal hunty. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.